Good morning, YouTube producers. I'm in the middle of testing my developing solar system. This is a stage 2 test. I'm running the entire shop on battery and solar at this time. And we'll do a little walking tour just to show what's going on here. I realize it'll be very rough because I don't know anything about editing my YouTube videos yet, but bear with us. We'll grow with it. Alright, we're going to have a little shaky Blair Witch now. Right now, the JLD says that we've got 393 volts sitting in the pack. Over here, my 12 volt backup battery is floated at 13.2 volts. Currently, my wife is doing a load of laundry, or 2 loads of laundry. So, let me zoom in on this. We're currently pulling 15 amps at 242 volts out. And then the voltage meter in is different. There's an offset in this one. I've got to talk to the people that built it under warranty. And then, of course, we've got all the lights on into place. The garage door opener will work from the inverter. And then, of course, can I use my heavy equipment on inverter? Well, let's see. I've got the digital readout is working. Both of the shop lights, the workplace lights are working. And then, of course, we'll probably drop the voltage quite a bit with this, but let's zoom out and get a soundtrack. Alright, there's my mill started up. It's 220 volt, 3 horse. The inverter had no problem with that, of course. And then coming on over here, sorry about the Blair Witch. The lathe is active and locked up on 220, locked in. There's the light. And then there's our jog. That's the same as our run for it. Then over here, we don't want to get in copyright problems, so we leave the radio off, except to demonstrate that it too is working just fine from the inverter. And then in here, in the laundry room, we've got a 1-ton AC running. Both washing machine loads are done. She hasn't started drying yet. We've got a backup refrigerator running. We got the freezer running. And then out here in the rest of the shop under construction and thoroughly full of junk is 2-ton wall AC unit. It is Phoenix. If you're going to work in here, you have to have cooling. So that's how that works. So far, I haven't got my current shunts for the JLD 404 straight yet. But that's it. We're doing fine. We're going to run this test all day, and I don't have a computer hooked to anything yet. So you've got manual switches controlling the contactors on the battery pack. And over here, I've got a manual switch for the solar panels. I'm sure it's not rated for 500 plus volts, but it's working until my kilovats come in. Alright, that's it from Mesa, Arizona. And so let me get her back where it's supposed to be. I'm going to sign off here real quick while I make this a long one. Let me see where I'm doing. Probably zoomed in too much. Zoom out. There we go. Kick her up a little bit. So, we'll say hello to all my friends at EBTV and the Bar Z. And that's it. It's Sunday, so I got my Sunday shirt on. Have a good one.